By switching from free to a one-off sale to an annualized fee, I was able to add over $25,000 of additional revenue to my business. It all started out with Terry Brock, who encouraged me to create short how-to videos to answer client questions and as a way to keep in touch, which I sent out via an e-newsletter on a regular basis. From that email, a client reached out to me and said, how can we get access to all those videos as a support tool for all our staff? That was my first sale. From there, I sold a number of other licenses when I started thinking, was I leaving money and the opportunity to create long-term relationships on the table? A session with Bill Cates shifted my thinking from the one-off sale to creating what I like to call a no-brainer price and offering it as a recurring revenue stream. Not only did it add value to my clients, but it enabled me to make more money, which is good, right? Once I repriced the product, I offered it to new and existing clients as a way to embed, reinforce, and support our face-to-face learning. So the moral of the story, sometimes you've got to listen, join the dots, and work out how this might work for you. So my question to you is, what resources do you have or could you easily create that you could turn into your no-brainer price and take your services from being a one-off sale to recurring revenue, and perhaps like me, you can add $25,000 or more to your bottom line too.